big building.
511.
Oh, he's touching my bum. He's touching my bum.
Yeah, I got you, mate. Little finger.
They're coming. Oh.
Fucking hell, he's quick. He's how quick that cunt moved.
There's only 2 on that enemy team.
Holy shit, I thought I'd nade him. It comes out, what's this?
Bob, nice.
Fucking hell, the dude moved like a fucking lightning bolt.
You're playing Valorant. You're hip firing him.
Yeah, fuck that. I'm hip firing's the fucking key in this game, for sure.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Debatable.
It's very debatable.
Close range, 100%.
I debate against it.
Nah, 100% hip fire, close range. Hip fire for the win.
You spawned there! What the fuck? Get up! Wow.
Yeah. There's one by pool tables.
Fuck knows what that is.
The bar, baby.
I've no idea what that is either.
Imagine it's this way. There you go.
I was trying to knife him, and the knife didn't work. I wanted to knife him, but it didn't work.
To hold melee to execute.
For fuck's sake. Didn't realise. Right, okay.
Look at him shit his pads. Oh, I love it.
Right, I have to remember to hold it. That's
Yeah,
definitely
boy.
melee.
Yeah, you have to hold it if you want to do the execution.
Secure all prisoners and get them to the extract point.
Maybe not. Maybe I've lost my melee.
Are you using that gamepad thing?
No.
Your like one-hand keyboard thing.
Yeah, it's my keyboard. I have to remember what key it was.
How is he there?
Wow.
I didn't hear the door open.
Sound listening's fucked.
Maybe. Going back to headphones.
We're on fucking speakers.
Not a fan of that shit then.
Oh. Audio-wise. I might get headphones.
I was using home theater, but
No.
I don't think that's my jazz.
No.
I try headphones instead. I killed one, but I got murdered by someone else. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah.
Don't worry, Tufty Balls has got this.
Tufty balls. No, he hasn't. He fucking hasn't. Oh my days.
When I said he's got this,
Tufty.
I lied.
It's the bit, man.
I'm on headphones. That's what it's like.
He'll never see me. It's right in front of him.
I'm lucky.
Oh no.
Fuck it out.
Tufty balls.
Prisoner rescue.
There's a guy called Pinty Pinty on the other team.
Pinty Biney.
I love it.
Pinty.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Semtex out.
There's one down there, ninja to your left.
Got him, thank you.
Yeah,
Keep flashing
nice.
him.
Alright.
There's one in the hostage room.
Got him.
Yeah, he's down. Yeah, one bop.
Oh, nice, thank you.
Approaching
Alright.
from the rear.
Yo, good round.
Now, don't judge me aim. I thought I'd killed him, so I moved away, and then I realised, look at me, didn't notice.
Mate, you killed him, don't worry. Who cares? You killed him.
Did you see that lag? Fucking unbelievable.
Prisoner
Hey,
rescue.
mate.
Yes,
Doesn't
blame it
have
on
to
lag.
be pretty, just has to get the job done.
Yeah.
Base plate to safe.
Kill the kill, mate.
Prevent the enemy from extract.
So I've turned up this round, it's fine. Finally.
Yeah.
Am I getting murdered off one fucking...
Semtex out. Reloading.
There's a guy opposite below you. Low.
Yeah.
Oh, it just got waxed.
Fucking RPG'd by some... I just got some missile fucking it javelin me or something. Cheers, Louie.
Right.
Oh shit, other side.
Throwing septics.
Oh, there's a dude here on the left.
Naded again.
Get in it.
I naded him there. I still fucking survived.
Fucking rubber lips, I'm fucking spectating. Lips.
How does rubber lips not? How does rubber lips not nail that shot?
For the next one.
Fucking rubber.
You're in there as well, Soups. Did you to Poland, mate? It's nuts, innit? Yeah, don't shoot anyone. That's about it.
That canted laser sight, if you're on console, you basically don't miss.
Yeah, exactly. I can
Yeah,
tell
I'm
that.
saying, nah, that's fucking bullshit. Eyes. With a sniper as well.
Those on target are clear.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it?
Oh my
Yep.
god.
it's unplayable against.
Changing mags.
We secured a
Throwing
prisoner.
septics.
Oh my god.
Switching mags.
So,
Fucking one tapped.
Why am I
Bob,
trying
come
to-
up here and pick my ass up.
There's still one out there.
I want this guy, but I'll come back.
Mate, I'm just in here.
All right.
It's a good question. Might be, yeah, I might be over there. Have you rotated all the way around?
You below me, is that it?
No. Up there.
That's me, that's me.
Enemy UAV active.
Right, ladder behind you.
Up here.
Yeah, up there. To the right, I think. Now it's like you've gone all the way around.
Where the fuck
Yeah,
are you?
ask me. Yeah.
Oh, nice one, knobhead.
Oh, mate, look. You have to listen to me.
Oh, fucking hell, mate. Come to save your ass. I didn't realize you were there fucking wide open, bit of gape on.
Yeah, man.
Why does it show my life kill?
I don't know.
Prisoner rescue.
We lost.
Oh, man, it's so funny.
Fucking come save your ass, Louie. Fucking there. There, legs akimbo, fucking getting pwned.
Oh, man, my God.
You're welcome to the save, mate.
Oh,
Welcome to the save, mate.
fucking welcoming anybody in.
Welcome to the save, mate.
Semtex out.
Where the fuck is this guy all the time?
RPG.
Oh, my fucking days. Bob, pick my ass up, mate.
No, you can fuck off now.
Come on, don't be like that.
I have no idea where you are.
Doors. In through them doors. There you go.
Where are you? That you down the straight? Oh, fucking hell, mate.
I don't know who that is.
That's friendly.
What the fuck?
The
Who's this
fuck
cunt?
is going on there? Yeah, I think I'm
It's you?
there. No idea, mate.
I don't fucking no idea where you are, mate.
Unlucky.
Yeah, neither do I.
You don't miss any bullets. You're not missing bullets. One-handed.
Yeah.
Fucking aim assessment. Chancho, they've revived me there.
Yeah, boy.
Touching your bone.
Switching mags.
Oh, yeah, of course. Straight for the windows and reloading. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah, I'm alive again.
Hey, come find me. I'm in the corner there. I'm in your corner, you're right.
Changing mag.
Behind you, Louie. Pick me up.
UAV
That's me there.
in the area.
You can only get revived once.
Oh, right. Yeah, I'm fucked then.
Oh.
Okay. Rip. Didn't realise
Oh,
that.
this is me.
1 minute left.
Yeah, that way, definitely. We were looking at. Oh, maybe above you? Go under the stairs, mate. Wait, Mount.
This guy is just fucking on one. He's so good.
No, he's using fucking cheats.
See?
Well, it can't be Louis piss, so it can't be that good. Yeah, it can't be that
I
good.
was gonna say, fuck it up.
I've crashed? Oh, I've not crashed. Nice.
I wouldn't say it was that good. Louis just fucking melted him.
GG.
And he tried to dive in.
Fuck.
And he played like a little pussy.
See.
Do you know why he died? Do you know why he died there? Because he couldn't get... You know, he died there because he couldn't get his aim assist to kick in. That's why he fucking died there. He came back out to reinitiate his aim assist. It didn't work.
Pinty, pinty.
Which is why he never shot you. He's like, oh, my aim assist doesn't work. Oh, I've got a manual aim. I can't manual aim. Fuck.
Pinty, as in we're
Rubber
going for a
lips,
cheeky
mate.
pinty down the pub.
Oh, dude.
Pinty. Level 40. Fuck yeah. Intermission. Oh, there's a paint tomorrow. Can't be
Same lads. We're on the fourth. Well, I'm on the fourth beer.
I'm on beer number 7 at the minute. It's not bad. Four's good.
Yeah, we've all been there. We've all been there.
What are you on, Louis? You must be on 8. You stopped before me.
Fucking drunk, mate.
I can tell. How many beers you had? Come on, you must be on like 8, 9.
4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm only on 4.
Wow, yeah. My ninja's still aiming, alright.
7 for me, mate.
Deanbell's not that strong, they make. He can handle 7 beers. A real man could.
Look at all these fucking iPhone users, mate, on the enemy scene.
Oh, fucking iPhones.
Criminal, mate.
Okay, Ninja's one of them with his aim assist on his
Yeah, here he is.
bare bones controller setup, whatever
Yeah,
it's
mate,
working.
I've got those thumb sleeves, and I'm.
That's
aiming
it.
at the screen, yeah.
Fucking dirty bastard. Wouldn't
Fuck
surprise me.
Got my Galaxy.
Oh, my Galaxy's so good.
Mate, I'm on a Galaxy S8.
Damn.
Oh,
Fucking-
blink.
Damn. I like it retro.
Sure, we need the expediter, Bob.
I've got the expedite, baby. We're out with the expedite.
Oh, you have? Oh, baby.
But me, expedite's me, these
One in
cunts.
shoot house, the mid house.
A nice AFK there. Beautiful.